So to kind of finish this chapter up here, the key is, and you want to make sure you put a star here by A, is that the winners don't make history, at least not alone. Even though clearly it's the Europeans that are dominant and are coming in and conquering people, remember those people that they're conquering are adjusting the story. It is not the Europeans that are writing the story by themselves. Others are doing so as well, that the dominant groups are limited by the presence of the subordinate people. The subordinate people are running the show or running the story or adding to the story just as much as the Europeans are. And a recent trend in historical study examines how subordinated people, even when oppressed, have been able to work for their own interests. Remember, these guys are not just simply rolling over and playing dead. You have active participation, but more importantly, you also have active resistance going on here as well.